Fear and anxiety in the minds of Goan on the recent killing of leopard in Goa. Minister for Forest is sought in this shocking incident of trapping, killing, and then removing teeth and nails of leopard at Dabar Padi in Kepe. As per the news published in Daily Gomantak today, January 17, refer to the newspaper clip attached. As we suspect that the nutritious interstate mafia and poachers involved in selling these animal parts in foreign customers is active in Goa. What Forest Minister is doing to do? Speaker sir, one more thing. आमचे थंय कोले आयज बायन पडटा सानंद्री कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन सो तेजेरूय लक्ष घेवचें आनी दुसरें म्हणजे 70रीनूय सेम इन्सिडंट जाल्ले चार अशेच लेपडांक मारून उडयल्ले सो एश्युरन्स दिवंक जाय मिनिस्टरान की हे इन्सिडंट्स परत घडपाक जायना म्हणून
सर
हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करूंक सोदता गोमंतक न्यूज पेपराकूय की आयज तेंच्यांनी पब्लीश केलें म्हणून